Got cockroaches in your house? This trick will make them disappear instantly. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Are you annoyed by the cockroaches swarming in your kitchen and bathroom? You have tried all kinds of sprays, essential oils, and even insect repellent machines, but the cockroaches are still stubborn everywhere? Don't be discouraged. Today, I will reveal to you an extremely simple, safe, and environmentally friendly way to kill cockroaches. Surprisingly effective. Method 1. Make a cockroach trap from baking soda and sugar. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cockroach trap out of baking soda and sugar. It's eco-friendly, non-toxic, and incredibly effective. Baking soda with an equal amount of sugar. Mix this mixture well, then sprinkle it on cardboard, such as cardboard from a cardboard box, which is strong and not easily torn. Once cut, it will easily fit into corners and hold the material securely. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Place the cover in places where cockroaches often go, or in dark corners, such as under cabinets, next to the kitchen, toilet, or sink. Dirty places like this often have food crumbs and cockroaches like to go there. The smell of sugar will mask the smell of baking soda, making cockroaches unsuspecting when eating it. Baking soda is the nemesis of cockroaches. When they eat it, the chemical reaction will produce a lot of gas, causing bloating, causing the cockroach to explode from the inside. Even though it is a homemade and natural cockroach killer, you should still keep it out of reach of children and pets. Check the cover every 2-3 days. If it looks worn or damp, replace it to maintain effectiveness. The sweet smell of sugar is an irresistible food signal to cockroaches. It is very effective as bait. Damp bathrooms are also a favorite place for cockroaches. Place the cover near the toilet, cabinet legs, or bathroom, where they hide. Method 2. Using banana peel. Use banana peels. Yes, the banana peels that we usually throw away after eating can become a deadly temptation for cockroaches. Take your scissors and cut the prepared cardboard to the appropriate size, depending on where you want to place it. Cut into long strips and try to cut straight so that the ingredients will be applied evenly. For example, if you want to put it in a corner, cut it into a square or triangle shape to easily attach to the corner, then place it on the bottom of the cabinet. Use a sufficient amount of honey and scoop it onto the cardboard with a spoon. Use a spoon to gently spread the honey evenly over the surface of the cardboard. Be gentle so as not to tear the cardboard. The sweet scent of honey will spread in the air and is the first step in attracting cockroaches. Now peel a ripe banana, place it on a cutting board, and chop the banana peel into small pieces with a knife. The smaller the better, so that the scent of the banana peel can spread more effectively. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After cutting, sprinkle the shredded banana peel evenly over the honey-coated cardboard surface. Then gently roll it so that the banana peel sticks more firmly to the honey layer. Next, sprinkle some sugar on top. The sweetness of the sugar will increase its attraction to cockroaches. Sprinkle it evenly so that the entire trap emits an attractive scent. The final step is to sprinkle a layer of laundry detergent. Some of the chemicals in laundry detergent are toxic to cockroaches. When cockroaches eat this mixture, their digestive system will be affected, helping to repel and kill cockroaches. Sprinkle detergent evenly over the surface of the cardboard covered with bananas and sugar. Then place the trap in places where cockroaches often go, such as near the toilet. This is where food scraps often appear, a paradise for cockroaches looking for food. The aroma of honey, banana peels, and sugar is like an invisible invitation to cockroaches. When they rush in to eat, the surfactants and chemicals in the detergent will destroy the wax layer on the cockroach's body, penetrate inside, and disrupt physiological functions, causing the cockroach to die. The kitchen is also a favorite place for cockroaches because it is warm from the heat from the stove. Sometimes there is also leftover food. Place the trap there. The sweet smell will spread quickly, attracting cockroaches. When exposed to detergent bait, the alkaline substances will kill cockroaches quickly. You can make more traps and place them in different places to increase effectiveness. So, whether it's a cockroach that suddenly appears while you're cooking or an uninvited guest while you're washing your face in the bathroom, they'll all be trapped in the sweet trap you've carefully set. They will be repelled or killed, bringing a clean, healthy space for the family. If you have pets and are worried about the risk of them eating the cockroach trap with detergent, don't worry. There is still a safer way that is just as effective. Don't waste money on expensive cockroach killers. Method 3. Trap cockroaches with onions. Prepare half an onion, slice the onion thinly or chop it finely. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place the onions in a small bowl. Place the plate in places where cockroaches often appear, such as kitchen cabinets, next to the drain. Replace with new onions every 1 to 2 days to maintain the pungent smell. Cockroaches will stay away from areas with onion smell or stagger due to the strong smell. Method 4. Trap cockroaches with beer. Cockroaches get drunk on the smell and can't get out. Cut the plastic bottle in half, about 1/3 of the way down from the top. Turn the bottle upside down like a funnel, with the mouth of the bottle facing inward. Tape the two parts together. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour a little beer, about 3/5 cm, into the bottom of the bottle. Place traps where cockroaches often appear, under cabinets, kitchen corners, near drains. Do not place traps where children or pets can easily reach them. The simple ways above are sweet traps to trick and kill cockroaches. Let's get started now to make your house clean and free of cockroaches. Hopefully this tip will help you get rid of those pesky cockroaches easily. Thanks for watching. See you next time.